Today I'm going to show you how to gather, prepare, and cook wild mussels. Stay tuned, guys.
Is there any way that you could sort of just soft me out so that I don't know that I'm at work? In here, could I come home and think that I've been fishing all day?
Mussels can be found in the intertidal region. It's best to go during a low tide and search as close to the water as possible. This way there's going to be less sand and grain inside the mussels. You can find mussels in tidal pools or along the sides of rocks. Just look under the seaweed and you'll be sure to find some. I prefer to gather from tidal pools because I find these have less sand and grain within them. Once you gather your mussels, you're going to have to pull off the beard. This is the part that the mussel uses to adhere itself to rocks. You can do this by grabbing hold of it firmly and just pulling down. The first thing we need to do is start chopping up the ingredients. Tomatoes, garlic, onions, and some parsley. So to start with, we'll just finely chop up both the garlic and the onions. These are going to be added to the pot first. And don't forget, all the directions are going to be listed below. Next, we can prepare the cooking sauce. So we're going to heat up a pan, add in some olive oil, put in some butter, and bring that to a boil. Once that's heated up, we're going to throw in the garlic and the onions to start with. After that, we can open our bottle of wine. You're going to add in about 1/3 of a bottle. Bring that to a boil, at which point you can add the mussels and tomatoes into the mix. We'll chop up that parsley and throw that over the top of the mussels. Put the lid back on, and this is going to cook for about 2 minutes. You're going to take the lid off and give it a stir. You should see some mussels start opening up. Stir it around a little bit and allow it to cook for another couple minutes. Mussels typically take about 2 to 4 minutes to fully cook. And remember, if you see any that aren't open after the cooking process, either cook those a little longer or just throw them out. Take the mussels off, allow them to cool a little bit, and then put them into their serving dish. And if you're like me and didn't bring any utensils other than a knife to cook with, you can always use the shell as a utensil. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and don't forget to subscribe below. And remember, all the directions and ingredients are listed down below so you can try this out for yourself. Enjoy!